Before you spend money on circuit simulation software, I would like you to try out these free tools. If you are learning electronics, you don't need a big budget to start building skill. All you need is the right simulator, the right workflow, and a clear reason for choosing one tool over the other. Now check them out. Now let's talk about Tinkercad Circuits, and this is one of the most popular free simulators for beginners. It runs completely in your browser and it is ideal if you want to prototype circuits and Arduino project without any physical hardware. And Tinkercad gives you a large library of components like breadboard, LEDs, resistors, buttons, sensors, motors, and more. And you can wire them together and add an Arduino or microbit and even write and simulate Arduino code using block-based coding or text-based coding in the coding environment. So it also supports measurements tools like multimeters and oscilloscope, so you can check voltages, current, and timing in your circuits. And when you're ready, you can also export your code as a real.ini file and also upload it into a physical board like your physical Arduino board. Then Tinkercad is also perfect for students, for makers, and anyone who wants a safe, easy way to learn electronics and Arduino before building the actual project or prototype that you're working on. Next on the list is LTspice. LTspice. Now this is the most popular choice of simulators to use for analog circuits like operation amplifiers, filters, and power supply designs. Now if your focus is on analog design, this is one of the best circuit simulators you can start with. Next on the list is QSPICE. QSPICE is an advanced spice simulator software with fast performance and extra capabilities, which makes it very useful when your project gets more serious in terms of when you're designing complex analog circuits. Next is Falstad Circuit Simulator, and this one is very beginner friendly because you can actually see current flow and the circuit behavior in a very visual way, and this is what makes it very perfect for understanding what a circuit is actually doing before building that particular circuit. So here is a quick one, guys. If you want to teach yourself embedded systems, I have made a simple 6-month roadmap ebook that guides you from a complete beginner to building your own boards and firmware. And this book also tells you what to learn, in what order, and the links to the YouTube videos that will help you so you don't guess your next step. And if this is something you need, check the link in the description of this video or check the link in my bio to grab your copy. Then there is the ngspice. This one is an open source spice circuit simulator that is used in an academic and engineering workflows, and it is a strong option if you want something flexible and something that is widely respected. Next is SimulIDE. The SimulIDE is very good when you want to learn Arduino, PIC, or AVIRO microcontrollers and basic electronic circuits in one place. If your goal is to learn about microcontroller plus circuit designs, this tool is one of the practical tools you can use to learn basic electronic circuit designs and microcontroller programming. So which one should you start with? If you're a beginner, start with Falstad or SimulIDE. If you are serious about analog design, use LTspice or ngspice. If your work centers on TI parts or Texas Instrument parts, choose Tina T. If you want more advanced spice performance, test QSPICE.